The approval of the first spot Bitcoin ETF in the US will be historic. If you have been speculating about entering the crypto market, there might not be the better time than now, as it is poised to skyrocket. Standard Chartered Bank, a leading international banking group, sees a strong inflow of liquidity into Bitcoin market upon the spot ETF approvals. And according to their forecasts, the price of Bitcoin could reach 200,000 by the end of the 2025. This bullish narrative makes Bitcoin one of the best cryptos to buy now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. So, Bitcoin at 200,000? Let's have it, please. Undoubtedly, the price of Bitcoin is expected to soar upon the approval of a spot ETFs. It isn't rocket science, as institutional players will be entering the crypto scene, and the only trajectory is upward from there. If you have yet to position yourself by purchasing Bitcoin, this might be a reminder to do so, as it is positioned as one of the best cryptos to buy now. While there have been different speculations about the Bitcoin's price outlook upon the approval of spot ETF, Standard Chartered Bank prediction has been creating quite a buzz. According to the international banking group, Bitcoin could reach 200,000 by the end of the 2025, and hence purchasing Bitcoin at its current price is no-brainer and might be one of the smartest decisions you could have made. While the overall market has been reacting to the buzz around our anticipation of a Bitcoin ETF approval, Ripple has yet to catch the furor. And does that mean it isn't a good crypto to buy? Certainly not. Experts believe XRP's current consolidation is a preparation for a strong bull run, and it showed its remarkable potential in the middle of the year. A move it could replicate, moreover, was a 224 set to bull market, as XRP is positioned as one of the altcoins to watch. In conclusion, we have as Bitcoin reaching 200,000 by the end of the 2025, and according to Standard Chartered Bank's forecast, is all you need to double down on Bitcoin and HODL. Meanwhile, XRP and Incubata have emerged as cryptocurrencies to watch, with the latter expected to skyrocket after its launch. So let's go for more news we have here for today on a Bitcoin. Anthony's Scaramucci reveals catalyst behind Bitcoin price slump. So following the US Securities and Exchange Commission greenlight on spot Bitcoin ETFs, analysts have shared their thoughts on Bitcoin price performance, and Anthony Scaramucci, founder of Skybridge Capital, indicated that a decline in the Bitcoin's price could be linked to the notable selling activities from the Grayscale's GBTC fund, which recently underwent a conversion into spot Bitcoin ETF on Thursday. GBTC fund sell-off partly responsible for Bitcoin plunge. In a recent Bloomberg interview, Scaramucci revealed that his trading desk observed shareholders transitioning from a trust this week following the approval of the ETFs by the US Securities and Exchange Commission. So these investors were selling to realize losses and shifting to more cost-effective alternatives. On the contrary, Zach Pandol, Grayscale general manager of research, believes that exchanging one Bitcoin product for another should not impact Bitcoin's price. Pandol also observed that given Bitcoin's substantial valuation surge, it's natural for investors to sell for profit, and on Thursday, GBTC registered the record-breaking $2.3 billion in volume, marking the highest first-day turnover ever for an ETF. So the GBTC shares could impact Bitcoin's price, as although the market dynamics are complex and other factors can contribute to the price swings, GBTC shares could potentially impact Bitcoin's price, and if a significant number of GBTC shares are redeemed, it might create selling pressure on the underlying Bitcoin holdings, potentially leading to a temporary decline in the Bitcoin's price. Impact of spot Bitcoin ETF's approval. So interestingly, the spot Bitcoin ETF approval signals a growing acceptance and the recognition of the legitimacy of a digital asset in the mainstream financial markets. So a spot Bitcoin ETF allows investors to gain exposure to the actual cryptocurrency without holding the digital asset directly. And unlike future-based ETFs, which derive value from contracts, a spot Bitcoin ETFs holds physical Bitcoin. And additionally, this development could lead to an influx of institutional capital into the cryptocurrency market, further legitimizing and mainstreaming digital assets. Moreover, the SEC's approval could pave the way for similar products tied to other cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.